Hello America, Tom Hand here at Americana Corner. Today we're discussing the closing scenes of the Penobscot Expedition. The Penobscot Expedition of 1779 ended in dismal failure, with the entire American fleet, the largest ever assembled in the American Revolution, being destroyed and the Army walking back to Boston embarrassed and humiliated. All fiascos need a scapegoat, and the Penobscot Expedition was no exception. Colonel Paul Revere, the head of artillery, had made himself very unpopular during the expedition, and many officers thought his conduct bordered on negligence, including leaving his men and the artillery pieces entrusted to his care behind in his haste to get away during the retreat. The Committee of Inquiry found these stories distressing but not criminal, and Revere was cleared of any formal charges. But he was never again entrusted with a command. General Solomon Lovell, commander of the militia, was called to account for his failure to aggressively press the attack on Fort George. However, Lovell's plan to bombard Fort George into submission rather than risk a frontal assault was deemed prudent, and he was exonerated. But this was the last wartime service Lovell would perform. Not surprisingly, Commodore Dudley Saltonstall, the naval commander, was blamed for this failed expedition. His conduct was deemed inexcusable by both the Massachusetts Committee of Inquiry and a court-martial board of Continental Navy captains. The Committee of Inquiry declared want of proper spirit and energy on the part of the Commodore was responsible for the total destruction of the fleet, and the Board of Navy Captains reached the same conclusion. On October 25, 1779, Saltonstall was dismissed from the Continental Navy. The Penobscot Expedition would prove to be our nation's worst naval defeat until Pearl Harbor. Until next time, may your love of country lead you.